Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your screen lock on your Emporia tablet. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to security settings and go to device security screen lock. We have already set a screen lock. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And but if you haven't set one, this is the page you're coming to, and then probably your current screen lock is then swipe or none, and then you can only choose the pin to secure your tablet. So we're gonna put in a pin now, say next and re-enter that and say confirm. And when we now lock our tablet and want to unlock it again, we need to put in our new pin. So that's how we change our screen lock on our Emporia tablet. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.